Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. I don't have time to really edit this video, so forgive the way I look, but the market is selling off, and it's selling off hard. There's a lot going on. Oil is spiking up. We know the geopolitical situation. I've been here at the office working, so I don't know what's happening minute to minute. You guys could leave in the comment section what's going on. But the market is selling off. The NASDAQ was down negative 600 points when I saw it. And I'm going to be doing some buying, and I'm going to explain why. I have some things that you've seen before that I look for, and I'm also going to add some things that I do to buy smaller dips. But remember, we'll talk about the macro and the micro outlook that I have for this market, okay? And so let's go to the charts first, and then I'll come back with that. All right, so let's just look at the overall broader market. We could see that the NASDAQ is down by 627 points, almost 2.5%. And of course, we could see that the S&P 500 is down also, okay? Negative 107 points, 1.44% as this market sells off, right? I just want to show you why I'm buying and not so much weigh on what's going on. The truth be told, I'm just not in the market today, but we could see here a month out that the NASDAQ keep rebounding, right? But we're going to get into this cycle, like I've been saying. It's going to be lower lows and lower highs. What do we have here? All right, so let's just look at the NASDAQ composite here. Now, this is the 2-day 150 EMA. And what this is showing me, I use this as one of my key levels to look at. It shows me that we could have a bigger sell-off, really. Because if you look right here, this was Friday the 27th March of 2026. And I do believe that we could revisit these type of levels this summer. I do. Now, it doesn't mean that I hope that it does, but if it does, I'm going to have some dry powder, AKA money. Ticker symbol MU actually is still green today. It's holding strong, right? So we hit a buy zone, but it's still holding strong today. Even if you go out the month, you could see without pulling up a real chart that July 17th was one of our bottoms. You can see here, right? And that was just a few days ago. And for those that nibbled right there, you're okay. Now, MU could fall more if tech starts to sell off. So I don't believe that all of your buying opportunities are over. Not at all. Right. Here's what I'm buying. And I'm going to explain why. I'm buying Google. I'm buying Google because you saw what happened with the earnings on yesterday. They are being punished. They are being shellacked. Down 6.84% today. Now, Google is a big company. For it to be down by this much after yesterday is something to look at. Now, I want you to see that I'm on the 100-day, 2-day, right? So 100-day, 2-day. I use EMAs to look at where I could buy. Now, you could see here, right here, the last time we were here was the 27th of March again, okay, when we had that dip. And what happened? We gapped down, and we have it here again. Now, is Larry saying that this is buy all right here? No, I'm not buying all right here because it's the 100-day and not the 150-day, but just the 100-day, 2-day. I'm going to split my Google money up into 4, and I'm going to put one of those fourths in today, right now. Follow? So I'm splitting mine up into fourths. Now, you can go all in if you want to. Larry's not doing that. What was this back here? This was liberation, right? And you see how far down it came during liberation, right? So now, if we go on we could stay on the 2-day, But you could see that we can go to 150 EMA. I use EMA in different time frames. And now you could see that we are not touching yet. And we went well under, right? So that's why I wanted to show you this is my nibble zone. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. This is what I do. And then that we snap that line and then we are retouching, okay? Now we could go lower, but I'm nibbling because I like Google long term. Tesla. The only reason I'm buying Tesla is it's in a buy zone, right? I got my line struck here for our options. You can see that we are right here at 320 on Tesla. See here? 320.50. So that's right here. So we got a little gap before we come down. But this is the 200-day weekly, right? The 200-day weekly. If I went to the 2-day, we are well beneath, okay? But this is the 200-day weekly. And so to me, that's a deeper buying zone and you buy more, right? But I am nibbling on some, here's where I would split my money up into 3/3 of the money that I want to put in Tesla, follow, and I'm only going to put in and start nibbling on 1/3 of it right now, okay? Leaving 2/3 for deeper dips because now we're on the weekly time frame and we're on the 200-day EMA. Follow? All right? And then Microsoft, 200-day weekly. And we are under the 200-day weekly moving average. Now, here is where you could buy a little more. Here's where Larry's buying a little more because Microsoft has been an underperformer, if you ask me. And so Microsoft is going to be my biggest buy of today. And I just wanted to show you guys where and why. Now, you could choose to do what you want to do. This is Larry. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing with you what Larry is doing. So there you have it, good people. That's what I'm buying right now. Remember, I need you to listen really good. Some people just hear buy and they go, I'm just buying off, spending all my money. I'm not. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. And as a matter of fact, the money that I'm going to put into Google, not my overall portfolio, but just the money that I'm going to put into Google, I'm spending some of it now, okay? Not all of it, but some of it now, and I just showed you why. The money that I'm going to put in Tesla or Microsoft, I'm telling you how I'm splitting my money up because I see lower lows coming in the next couple of months. I told you guys I will be showing and sharing with you some of the things that I'm doing, not everyone. I share in Money Moves with everything. And if you want to get up to date, real time, the minute, the second I buy and why, I want you to go to more in your device under this YouTube video. Go to the description and I want you to come join us in Money Moves. If you invest right, you will 10, 20, 30, 50x the amount of money that you will pay for the community, okay? But if you don't even want anything to do with options and you just want to long-term invest, but buy at the right times, not buy every dip, but buy dips that have been looked over, then come join us in Money Moves. And if you want to learn options, the people in Money Moves are making a ton of money today doing puts. And we plan on putting from now until October. So we will do some calls and some puts, but you best believe there'll probably most likely be 75% puts to call ratio from now until the end of this year, especially the rest of this summer. We ain't scared. We prepared. This is what we've been waiting on, okay? So if you are just having anxiety, just calm yourselves and have a plan and be ready, okay? That's why we don't buy every dip. We are just cashing up, being ready. There's still plenty of time. Of course, there'll be some more green days. Tomorrow could be green, all right? But when you zoom out, you're going to see we're going to come into this chop zone where the highs are lower than the previous highs and the lows are lower than the previous highs, okay? So we'll join you in Money Moves. Come and join us, and we will see you tomorrow, all right? Live, love, laugh, and learn.